Yeah, hi ma'am.
Hello.
Uh, I think before 5 years, I used to bake my cakes in microwave oven and even in Kadhai cooker also. But I never get like this type of cakes now. I'm really getting very good cakes, very good sponges.
Wow.
I posted my chocolate sponge and vanilla sponge and one pineapple cake, one red velvet cake. All those in my in our community, Facebook community. Now, I'm really feeling very excited and very happy for my cakes.
Wow.
And actually, I have my own kitchen, like
Hmm.
Aparna's kitchen, in my
Hmm.
community where I will sell snacks every day evening. Now I'm introducing these baking cakes, chocolates, all these things in my community.
Wow.
Everyone is very feeling very happy and they're excited. They're waiting for my cakes
Super.
because whenever I am doing cakes, I'm keeping in my status. Everyone is asking, wow, very nice. It looking very good, great when you are giving all these things for us. And it's very good for me.
Superb. 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 So thank you so much.
And you
And
are
more power to you, Aparna. Keep selling so many stuff along with the food that you are
sure
selling.
with your support,
Wish
with
you
our
all the
team
best. My
support.
support will always be there with you. Just give your best shot and make your customers very, very happy, right? That is going
Sure,
to be
ma'am.
my success. So thank you so
Sure,
much
sure, sure. But
for
till now,
sharing.
I'm baking my sponges in kadai only, not in OTC,
Wow.
not in
Wow.
microwave.
Wow.
Yeah. Till now, I think more than four I baked.
Lovely.
Everyone perfect. Curd recipe, red velvet, vanilla, chocolate. Excellent.
You are an inspiration. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.